Top 6 nighttime snacks diabetics can eat. Lower blood sugar. Struggling to find the perfect snack that satisfies your late-night hunger without messing with your blood sugar levels? You're not alone. Many people with diabetes face this challenge every night. But what if I told you there are delicious snacks that can not only fill you up, but also help stabilize your blood sugar as you head to dreamland? Late-night snacking doesn't have to be a minefield. It's all about finding the right balance between satisfying your cravings and keeping your blood sugar in check. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 6 nighttime snacks that diabetics can enjoy without worry. These snacks are designed to help you sleep soundly and wake up with balanced blood sugar levels. Stick around because these tasty treats might just become your new bedtime favorites and make your nights a whole lot easier. 1. Cottage cheese, berries, and cinnamon. Let's dive into an ideal bedtime snack for diabetics. Cottage cheese topped with berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon. High in protein and calcium, cottage cheese is incredibly creamy and satisfying, making it a perfect choice for those late-night hunger pangs without impacting your blood sugar. When opting for the unsweetened variety, you're dodging excess sugars that can spike glucose levels, instead benefiting from its slower digesting proteins. But we're adding a little twist to take this snack to the next level. By incorporating a handful of berries, not only do you enhance the snack with natural sweetness, but you also get a boost of fiber that can keep you feeling full through the night. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are low in sugar but high in antioxidants and nutrients, known for their role in promoting stable blood sugar levels and general health. And now, for the magic touch, cinnamon. Adding a sprinkle of this spice does more than just enhance flavor. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential to support blood sugar regulation. According to nutrition experts, including Harris Pincus, cinnamon can contribute a modest benefit to blood sugar management, making it an excellent ally for diabetics. Preparing this wholesome snack is simple. Start with a small bowl of cottage cheese, pile on your favorite berries, and dust with a pinch of cinnamon. Not only is this combo a treat for your taste buds, but it also provides the balance of protein, fiber, and beneficial compounds essential for managing diabetes effectively. Cottage cheese with berries and cinnamon is more than just a snack. It's a strategy to nourish your body while supporting your health goals, enabling you to face each day with balanced energy. As we uncover more about optimal eating habits, remember it's about making smart, satisfying choices that elevate both your well-being and your palate. 2. Hummus and veggies or whole grain toast. Next up on our list of savory bedtime snacks perfect for managing diabetes is a plate of hummus paired with crunchy veggies or a slice of hearty whole grain toast. This snack strikes a brilliant balance, offering fiber and complex carbohydrates without hefty refined carbs and sugars that could disrupt your blood sugar levels. Hummus is a powerhouse snack choice primarily because it delivers a healthy dose of both protein and fiber. Made from chickpeas, it's a plant-based option packed with essential nutrients. Pairing it with veggie sticks like carrots, cucumber, or celery not only adds variety to your textures and flavors, but also ensures a generous intake of fiber, which can keep you feeling satisfied for longer. As Harris Pincus points out, a few tablespoons of hummus alongside some carrot sticks provide not just heart-healthy fats but also deliver long-lasting satiety. Choosing whole grain toast instead of regular bread means you're opting for a snack that digests more slowly, releasing sugars gradually and helping maintain more stable glucose levels. Whole grains are rich in nutrients and fiber, supporting digestion and reducing the risk of insulin spikes. Snack prep is straightforward. Scoop a few tablespoons of your favorite hummus into a dish and line up an array of colorful veggies or toast slices. It's not just about the convenience of this pairing. It's about making conscious snack choices that contribute positively to your health outcomes. The blend of nutrients found in this snack helps support overall heart health, keeps cravings in check, and is a delightful, fulfilling option anytime you're feeling peckish. The beauty in snacks like hummus with veggies or whole grain toast lies in their simplicity and excellent nutritional profile. They're not just guilty nighttime pleasures. Rather, they're intelligent choices that align with managing diabetes through balanced eating habits. Embrace these health-supportive snacks and let them be a testament to mindful decisions leading to a better quality night's sleep and overall life. 3. Nut butter and an apple. Third on our list of satisfying nighttime snacks for diabetics is a classic pairing: nut butter with a crisp apple. This combination is not only comforting, but also cleverly designed to support your health while keeping those nighttime cravings at bay. Let's start with nut butter. Whether you prefer peanut, almond, or cashew butter, these spreads are rich in wholesome fats that promote heart health and help manage appetite. The fats in nut butter are predominantly monounsaturated, known for their ability to improve cholesterol levels and reduce heart disease risk. In breakfast bowls or as a late-night snack, nut butter is a versatile option that provides a creamy, indulgent texture. Paired with an apple, you have a complete snack that's low in calories but high in fiber, especially when you leave the peel on. Apples offer both soluble and insoluble fibers, which support gut health and further enhance digestion. The fiber in apples also plays a vital role in preventing sudden blood sugar spikes caused by sugars, offering a steadier insulin response. According to experts like Harris Pincus, a tablespoon of peanut butter spread over a sliced apple gives you protein, heart-healthy fat, and fiber, creating a plant-based comfort classic. This combination is both satisfying and balanced, filling you up without causing blood sugar levels to swing, which is essential for diabetes management. To prepare, simply slice a small apple and spread a tablespoon of your chosen nut butter on each slice or use it as a dip. This simple prep means you're ready in moments to enjoy a snack that's both nutritious and delicious. Besides being a great energy booster for the day, this snack combo is a great way to wind down due to the naturally sweet apple and indulgent nut butter, aiding the transition to rest and relaxation. It's not just about enjoying good food, but about making smarter choices that benefit your health journey. Before we continue the video, can I ask you a question? If you found these tips helpful, please hit subscribe so you can stay updated with more practical advice and insights for managing diabetes effectively every day. We really want to help you. 4. Greek yogurt and nuts. Coming in at number 4 on our list of diabetes-friendly nighttime snacks is a delightful mix of Greek yogurt topped with nuts. This combination not only satisfies the taste buds, but also packs a powerful nutritional punch, perfect for stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting a peaceful night's rest. Unsweetened plain Greek yogurt, or its Icelandic counterpart skyr, serves as a fantastic base for this snack. Known for its high protein content, Greek yogurt supports muscle repair and keeps you feeling full longer. It's also rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health and improve digestion, a crucial aspect of overall wellness. Topping your yogurt with nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios introduces a healthy dose of fats and fiber. These nuts not only add a satisfying crunch, but are also excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in muscle relaxation and stress reduction, vital factors for a restful sleep. The healthy fats in nuts also boost satiety, helping to curb those late-night hunger pangs without affecting blood glucose levels. According to nutrition expert Harris Pincus, combining low-sugar Greek yogurt with nuts and a few berries offers a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and fat. The berries, such as strawberries and wild blueberries, are not only flavorful, but also contribute to improved insulin sensitivity. As research shows, these fruits can help enhance the body's insulin response. To quickly whip up this snack, spoon a serving of Greek yogurt into a bowl, sprinkle a handful of mixed nuts over the top, and if desired, add a layer of fresh berries for a sweet and nutritious finish. This snack option pairs decadent creaminess with crunchy textures, making it an irresistible treat. Embracing snacks like Greek yogurt and nuts not only aligns with maintaining balanced glucose levels, but also supports a holistic approach to diabetes management, emphasizing nutrient-rich, low-sugar options that cater to both your health needs and taste preferences. Whether it's winding down your day or preparing for a restful night's sleep, this wholesome option sets the stage for optimal nutrition and wellness. 5. An egg and slice of whole grain toast. Who says breakfast foods can't make the perfect nighttime snack? An egg served with a slice of whole grain toast is not only quick and easy, but also offers a satisfying nutritional profile that supports blood sugar management. Eggs are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, providing high-quality protein and a range of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and choline, which are vital for brain health. The protein in eggs contributes to lasting fullness and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a brilliant option for those evening hunger pangs. Pair your egg with a slice of whole grain toast, and you add complex carbohydrates loaded with fiber. This combination digests slowly, releasing glucose gradually and preventing spikes in blood sugar. Unlike refined carbs, whole grain toast helps maintain stable energy levels and contributes positively to overall digestive health. According to Harris Pincus, indulging in a hard-boiled egg with whole grain toast provides the protein, healthy fats, and fiber needed to carry you through to morning without any blood sugar surprises. But eggs aren't limited to hard-boiling alone. The versatility of eggs allows for other creative approaches. Whip up a quick omelet, make a microwave egg cup, or even pair leftover breakfast eggs with some toast for a speedy snack. For those nights when you crave something warm and savory, make an egg and toast combo into a delightful mini-meal. Consider adding some fresh herbs or a sprinkle of cheese for flavor, transforming your simple snack into something gourmet without the extra calories or sugar. Not just a snack, eggs and whole grain toast can serve as a framework for various toppings, perhaps a few slices of avocado for healthy fats or tomatoes for added vitamins. This snack isn't just easy on your glucose levels. It provides a balanced intake that keeps you satisfied, helping promote a restful and undisturbed night's sleep. Incorporating this heart-healthy snack into your routine shows how simple it can be to find delicious, health-conscious options that suit your tastes and support diabetes management. So go ahead and make breakfast for snack time. A choice that's as smart as it is delicious. 6. A bowl of high-fiber, low-sugar cereal. Ending our list of ideal nighttime snacks for diabetics is a comforting classic, a bowl of high-fiber, low-sugar cereal. While cereal might have a reputation for being sugary and carb-heavy, selecting the right one can offer a satisfyingly healthy option that won't upset your blood sugar balance. When choosing a cereal, focus on those that are fortified and low in sugar but high in fiber and protein. These types of cereals provide complex carbohydrates that are essential for a slow energy release, keeping you fuller for longer without the risk of unwanted blood sugar spikes. Pair your cereal with ultra-filtered high-protein milk, which improves the overall macronutrient balance. This type of milk is higher in protein and lower in carbs than regular milk, meaning it provides an added protein boost while minimizing carbohydrate intake. According to Harris Pincus, this combination offers a better balance of nutrients, aligning perfectly with diabetes management by supporting stable blood sugar levels. To prepare this snack, simply pour a small bowl of your chosen high-fiber cereal, then add the ultra-filtered milk. This straightforward preparation can be a quick fix for your nighttime hunger, providing both nutrition and comfort. Consider adding some toppings like nuts or berries for extra flavor and fiber, enhancing your snack's taste and health benefits. A bowl of cereal that fits these criteria is more than just a snack. It's a nutritional strategy. Enjoying this before bed can serve as a calming ritual, helping you unwind and set a positive tone for your restful slumber. Beyond just managing hunger, this snack can be part of a winding down routine, signaling to your body that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. By reframing cereal as a potential nighttime snack, you embrace versatility and convenience while prioritizing health. This reminds us that thoughtful choices can transform simple foods into powerful allies in managing diabetes effectively. This snack option doesn't just appease the taste buds but nurtures the body, proving that even traditional items like cereal can be part of a balanced, diabetes-friendly lifestyle when chosen wisely. We've journeyed through some fantastic snack options, each crafted to support your health and help manage blood sugar levels effectively at night. From cottage cheese with berries to the classic comfort of a bowl of high-fiber cereal, these snacks not only satisfy cravings, but also provide balanced nutrition that aligns perfectly with diabetes management needs. Each snack is designed to keep your blood sugar stable so you can rest easy knowing you're making health-conscious choices that work with your lifestyle, not against it. By incorporating these thoughtful options into your nighttime routine, you're taking a significant step towards better sleep and better health. So why not give them a try? Transform your nighttime snacking habits with these delightful choices and enjoy both the flavors and peace of mind they bring. If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty, diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. If you found these snack ideas helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on living healthily with diabetes, and explore our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.